There's a castle, folks. It's flooded on the road. Gina, how you like Disneyland in the rain?
Oh, fun.
Watch out, this. Weirdos. Look at it. It's all dressed up for Christmas. What's that? There's Tomorrowland over there, over there. What's that?
Star Tours.
Star Tours is Tomorrowland.
They still have it, right?
Yeah. I know.
That's just silly.
Especially when you're going slow, when you're going fast, it's stupid. Why didn't they send people right through? This is ridiculous.
Isn't it funny how they're just fast?
Indiana Jones.
Oh yeah, when I came back with my driving, I was like a little bit.
There's no way you're going to be able to read all the scrolling. No. Not the way these people moving. Yeah, you have bats in here. Beep, 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 beep. See, do not disturb bats. Oh, they're here. Before these things used to go up and down. He used to shake the bamboo and the thing used to go up and down, the spikes. And he used to come from the ceiling. Okay, you can stick your fingers in and go brrr. around with those other guys. Wow! Here comes the snake. There comes the snake.
You guys are alone.
Let me tell you, this ride is hard on your body. Wow, we're jerking in. Funny the engine broke. Oh no! Don't start it again. Oh no! Here we go. Oh no! There we go. To a chiropractor. My body's all jerked up.
Tourists.
There you go.
Why did it have to be tourists?
I don't know. Oh, good. We had a breakdown right here. Perfect. Are you going to say it again? No. Talking no more. As we exit the Indiana Jones ride, I just gotta tell you folks that ride was hard on your back. That team was a killer. It jerked you around and flew you around and bounced you around. Yeah, it was very hard. Watch out, crazy man. Wild man on a scooter. Wild man on a scooter. Okay, we'll just power slide over here. Okay, they made us walk all the way around, even though there's like 3 people on the ride. Yeah, they like to control you.
Back door.
Watch your head, watch your step there. I don't want to bend your knees like we're at a restaurant. Remember it. Alright, hi, come on down. Watch your head and step
Right there, come over.
Sit really close, pretending you like each other. Yeah, the closer you sit, the better the heat. Wonderful.
Jungle Cruise, ladies and gentlemen. It was a walk-on. Bye-bye. Aloha.
Folks, welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Jacqueline, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Please make sure that everybody keeps their hands, arms, feet, and legs aside and stay seated at all times.
The world-famous. When this ride was originally made, Rambler, American Motors, was a sponsor, and there was no water in the Jungle Cruise. Walt Disney and a person from Rambler, a representative, actually drove a Rambler car through the Jungle Cruise.
The Cambodian shrine.
Isn't that amazing?
Whoa!
Just a little trivia.
We have found a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Yeah. And does anybody know what side of the tiger has those stripes? The outside. That's absolutely unheard of. Now, folks who are lucky, they all have their trunks on. Take as many pictures as
Oh, that's an old one.
Now, a fun fact, most elephants grow up to 4 feet, while most humans grow up to 2.
Okay then. That one's having fun in the water.
No. Squirt, buddy. Yeah, we talked about the classroom, okay? You gotta make sure that you stay down.
Oh, look at that bamboo.
Okay, we're gonna continue our
Wow, that's a nice bamboo.
It's coming out again. Everybody get down, get down, get down.
Oh, there he is. Elefante.
Okay, whoa.
He must be hiding.
Let's get closer. There's a bunch of monkeys. Yeah, on after.
Monkeys in the jungle.
Oh, no. They left it this way. I'll never get that thing to turn over. Folks, try not to look like a banana, or you'll look too appealing.
Lots and lots of bamboo. Bamboo loves
It's
it.
named after the founder of the jungle navigation company, Dr. Albert. Now, you don't have to worry about that now. I'll go over it later.
There it is. Oh, some of the water came in.
Everybody okay? Are we good? Something fall over? Just water? Okay. Well, it'll dry up in a little bit.
That's
Okay.
the
It's the
doesn't.
Nile River, yeah.
I don't think no water drying up.
The sounds of the
This jungle cruise is really scary in the nighttime.
Oh, okay.
You see what
Okay, where are we now? Are we okay?
these elephants are jumping out of the
We're down
water.
in the African belt.
All over
We
the
have
place.
a variety of animals here.
Uh-oh.
We have gazelle and giraffe and gnu's and zebras.
There you go, a lot of
Now, does
those
anybody know the difference between a male and a female zebra?
stripes.
Now, a male zebra is black with white stripes, and a female zebra is white with black stripes.
There you go.
Pay attention, there will be a clue.
I knew that. Oh, those guys eating one zebra. And the baby's getting some.
Absolutely nothing. That's right, we don't see super feeling.
All right, look at those guys. They're still there. I go, oh, yeah. What happened? Supposed to have all Christmas ornaments, like the plane crash.
Are we okay? I keep hearing noises.
Those carrying Christmas gifts. Where is that? Maybe they haven't started it yet.
Okay, well, there's no need to be afraid, folks, because those are only dangerous to be wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. I'm going to try to scare them off. Do me a favor, everyone, please.
I think
cover
it's
your
those
ears.
guys right there.
Don't worry, animal lovers. My ammunition, that's like my mom.
Right.
Here's the blank.
Hippopotamuses.
I'm going to try and go really slow.
Oh, the hippos.
Nobody else can swim. Oh, no. So look at that. The chimpanzees have taken over Skipper Felix's boat. Congratulations, guys. Take a bow. Like you already did. Okay, well, if anybody's in the market for a boat, I think this one is humble.
Yeah, they don't have it dressed up like Christmas this time.
Trying to figure out what oh, and I got him in the crate.
Because the bell flowers.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
probably makes the hole smaller than the animal livers, right? Yeah, you know, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Alrighty, well, folks, here we are. It's the moment you have all been waiting for. The 8 wonders of the world, the one, the only, the backside of water. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Now, kids, you see a favor. Do not try that at home. Because favorite fishing spot. See, this is the fish are always biting here. All you have to do is say the fish is safe and they just come right out of the water. Just to make it work. Halibut?
They didn't have it set up for Christmas
No.
this time.
Salmon.
Yeah?
No, Yeah.
They didn't have it set up for Christmas.
Yeah.
Remember, they had all the airplane crash and other Christmas gifts.
Now,
Gorillas are showing their Christmas gifts
up
around.
ahead there we have a python.
I don't know.
Does anybody
Maybe it's
know
too
the difference
early.
between a python and a boa? Nobody.
Ah, there you go. See?
Traffic jam. Okay.
There's a python on top of a tree.
That bind here at Trader Sam's gift shop.
Let's see if we have a backup.
Highly recommend buying a hat. We at the Jungle Navigation Company know all about cap sizes. Yeah. Kind of hard to see out there, but I think there's a bunch of you make sure that you cover your hands and elbows.
Now, this is a new experience. Right now, they are removing boats
That would really hurt.
out of the water, off the ride.
Yeah.
So we're
It
tied
would
up,
also cause an awful lot of
waiting while they
Yeah, we know
take
the
boats
sector.
off of the water. I guess it's 10 o'clock or something.
Right.
So they start removing boats. Too many boats. So we got, look at this. Back up. One there. One in front of us. And after a brief 10-minute break, we are out of here. This is the only place that's dressed up for Christmas. Oh, poor elephant. Oh, wet. Okay, now we're just gonna rush. We're just gonna run in.
I'm gonna leave you with just a little word of advice.
That's it for us.
You know, time flies like an
That was
arrow.
a jungle cruise. This is a new place. This is the tiki room right there. Yeah, looks like it.
Do you think that skipper is feeling well? I always seem to see him at the dock.
That is Pancho. Hey, please. Are you talking? No, they're not talking about it. It's pouring rain, look at that. Yeah. And this is where you order food. Go with.
Oh my God.
Okay. Let's move on. Oh yeah, we gotta try to get a lightning lane. Let's try to get a lightning lane. And there's the castle, folks. It's flooded on the road. Gina, how you like Disneyland in the rain?
Oh, fun.
Watch out, this weirdos. Look at it. It's all dressed up for Christmas. Look at that. There's Tomorrowland over there, over there. What's that?
Star Tours.
Star Tours is Tomorrowland.
They still have it, right?
Yep. There's a queen up here that peeks her head out of one of the windows up on the top.
Oh, there's a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. They make up the little girls like princesses.
Where's that queen's head that comes out every once in a while
Up there somewhere.
of the castle? Well, looks like my idea of this place being empty. There's a lot of kitties staying up late tonight. Lots and lots of kitties. And we are in Fantasyland. Okay. I know there's a witch that comes out of one of these windows. Yeah, go over there and you will be a shock that you get to lift it out of the water. Go ahead, lift it up. 1, 2, 3. No, nobody's working tonight. What is Pinocchio's ride? I think we'll go on Pinocchio's ride.
Kids, be sure to watch it. I'll see you under the wishing star.
Hola, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y les ruego a los mayores que vigilen a sus preciosos niños. Nos vemos bajo el brillo de...
Oh no, Pinocchio!
Be careful.
Oh wow, we're in a big cage. Oh no, we're in a cage. Oh, we came out of the cage.
No, this one.
Huh? There's the guy, Jimmy Cricket. Oh, Pleasure Island. Yeah. Oh, look at this place. This is where I like to be. It's a great time. Pinocchio's a puzzle. Our favorite. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, right through the door. Uh-oh, how's that guy doing? Treasure Island. Oh.
Hurry, let's get out of this
Chase those birds. Oh, there he is. He's turned into a wooden boy. No. Wow, this guy's a good clockmaker. Uh-oh. And we are done. They complied with City Hall. Dude. I wonder how's Dumbo crowded? Nope, let's go ride Dumbo.
Oh yeah.
have seat belts on Dumbo. They got seat belts on Dumbo. Can you imagine? I mean, is it because it goes in the sky? Is it because it goes too high? I guess so. Look at that carousel. So beautiful in the nighttime. Just sparkling away there. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, I'm starting to go up already. It goes up and you don't have to press the button. Where's that calliope? Oh, right there it is. You hear that calliope? We'll go check it out after. I'm kind of getting the wang wang. I gotta go up higher. There we go. Up and up and up and up. Ah, yeah. Okay. Now I'm tilting over. I'm flipping over. There's a calliope down there. We'll go check it out after. Wow! I got him. That's the butt of Gina's elephant. Oh, there she is. She's coming down. I'm holding on to the wing or this canvas thing right there because this thing is giving me some centrifugals.
Okay, everybody. Now just hold your horses, but
Okay.
I mean elephants, until Dumbo comes to a stop. Then you can walk to the nearest exit. See you soon.
And that's it. Yay! What a beautiful calliope. This thing used to pop open and the drums used to play. I don't even know if it's actually playing now. I think it's just recorded music. But this thing used to actually work before. Back in our days. As we leave you with Gina, pictures of Gina on Dumbo, we're going to have to continue this video, part 2, Disneyland. Stay tuned, because we have a lot more to come. See you guys on the next video. Aloha.